Alright guys, so my camera's retarded. I don't know why it keeps on deleting footage. But this is what I just did right now. I replaced my old terminal with this one. I had to use a marine terminal, and what I did was, this hole was too small on the factory little plate that holds the terminal, so I used this file at an angle to open up the hole a little bit more, and then it worked out perfect. I had to widen up those little metal things on the side at first so it could lay flush, and then I tightened them back on once I put the whole thing together. And so now it's mint. It looks really good, and it's way better than the other one, because this one right here, the factory one kept on shorting out, and I'd have to come and disconnect and reconnect it just to turn my car on. So that's good that we got that dealt with. So that one was just a little different. I wish I could have shown you what I did, because I mean, it was fun looking, but camera for some reason is deleting my footage. I'll tell you more about that later. But now we're going to do the ground wire. It's way more simple. Just pretty much take the wire, shove it into the connector, and tighten it up. We're going to use one of these right here to make it all work together. So here we go. We're going to take off the terminal that we just did right now, because yeah, that's safety. You don't want to short anything or worse, electrocute yourself. So take that one off. Now take this one off. Damn, my car is hot right now. So let's take this electrical tape off. I doubt that came taped like that from the factory, but this is factory taping. You know what, I probably will just cut it. Hold on, I gotta take a picture. Taking my shirt off because it's hot as fuck. So, yeah, I'll probably will just freaking cut this off. Yeah, I got plenty of slack for it. Alright, so let's get our trusty wire cutters. I love these things, man. Get yourself a couple of these. So long, so many cases in my life where these would have came in handy, and I never had a pair. And now that I finally do, it's just bliss. So there you go. The old terminal out with the old. So, you know what? I'm gonna get some electrical tape. Because I want that to be a little better looking. I can see that it barely like pushed out the rubber just a tiny bit, so I could barely see the wire in there.